In today's competitive academic environment, using the right tools can significantly improve productivity and learning efficiency. Artificial intelligence tools are now becoming essential for students. One of the most useful tools is ChatGPT. It helps students understand concepts, generate ideas, and assist with assignments. Another important tool is Grammarly. It improves writing quality by correcting grammar and enhancing clarity. Notion AI is helpful for organizing notes, managing tasks, and summarizing content efficiently. For research purposes, Elicit can assist in finding and analyzing academic papers. In terms of design and presentations, Canva allows students to create professional visuals with ease. Additionally, Otter.ai can convert lectures into written notes, saving time and improving revision. While these tools are highly effective, students should use them responsibly to support learning, not replace it. Most of these AI tools offer free versions, with optional premium features for advanced usage. Students can choose based on their needs and gradually upgrade for better productivity. By integrating these AI tools into daily study routines, students can enhance both efficiency and overall performance.